Let's talk about the major sections of a vertebra. So the main part here is called the centrum, and it's also known as the body of the vertebra. This is the neural spine, and then the part of that around the spinal canal here, which actually goes through there, is the neural arch. We recognize on these pre- and post-zyg apophyses, and it's easier to show you on this guy here. So the pre-zyg apophyses are this section right here. So these are the pre-zyg apophyses, and we know that because we can tell the articulating surface of what part actually rubs against another part is right here, and it's pointed upwards or a little bit towards the medial side. And that will define what the front of the vertebra is. The post-zyg apophyses are on the back, and their articulating surfaces are facing downwards and a little bit outwards. So those are the post-zyg apophyses. Now we get some different types of processes on the vertebrae as well. As we mentioned before, this is the pleuropophysis. It's formed from a rib that's been fused on. And I don't think we have to know this, but there are also other processes, and they're important for identifying different species. So like this pointy part in front here, that is called the accessory process. And then if you look at this is actually from an armadillo here. They have really nice mammillary processes, and these are processes that extend upwards above the pre-zyg apophysis. We also have things like foramina. So the sacral foramina are those holes there in the sacrum. We have intervertebral foramina. These are where the nerves come out, and you can see this red pin is in one of them. And those are the major structures that are present in the vertebrae. We'll also recognize various other types of transverse processes. So anything that sticks out the side of a vertebra, like this point here on this cervical vertebra, that's a transverse process. And a lot of times those are fused ribs that fuse into the vertebra.